Hey, Amanda, thanks for stopping by to answer some timely mortgage related questions for today's environment.
No problem. Thanks for having me, John.
Awesome. First question is, what is a cashback mortgage?
Yeah, absolutely. So cashback mortgage will actually give the client up to 3% of their purchase price back in cash. This is great. It helps people with their closing costs. So, especially a first-time home buyer that has saved their down payment, but might be a little bit short for their closing costs, this would be an option for them. The rate is slightly higher, but if it's able to get them in a property sooner, as we all know, that's always beneficial for somebody. And like we always say, date the rate, but marry the home. Another type of cashback mortgage we have is promotions. So quite a few of the lenders we work with right now are offering a cashback mortgage, meaning if a client gets a term between 3 to 5 years, as a bonus, they will give them cash back for getting a mortgage with that lender. They do sometimes have a stipulation like opening up a bank account, but for $4,000, I definitely would open a bank account.
Okay, no, great tips. And rates have been going down. So do you recommend that buyers get reapproved or contact you to get reapproved?
Absolutely, especially for anyone high ratio. So most of my high ratio clients, if you look back, say even 4 weeks ago, we were qualifying more around the 4.9, even 5.09 mark. We actually just had a rate decrease this week, and the 3 years are down to 4.64. This is a really big drop in rate in a very short period of time that does help maximize people's affordability. So, yes, I am reaching out to a lot of my pre approvals right now to update accordingly since rates have gone down.
Okay, that's amazing. And last question of the day. Prior to one of the buyers that you're working with on the mortgage side, preparing or putting in an offer on a property, why do you insist on getting a copy of the MLS listing?
Oh,
For
I always insist for a couple reasons. So, the first reason is for a house. Sometimes real estate agents do some really fun terms like renovator's dream, investor delight. Those are red flags. We always want to know what is wrong with the property that it has to be advertised this way. If a property is not in a livable condition, that does not mean that we're always able to get financing. We sometimes have to look at alternative solutions. This is never not always a bad thing. Sometimes clients are looking at buying something that they can put a couple 100,000 and make it their dream home, but just so that we can review the financing options ahead of time because it won't be what we had originally pre-approved for. For condos, there are some condos in Toronto that are blacklisted. So any of my clients putting less than 20% down, especially, I always send the MLS listing over to one of the three insurance companies to make sure there are no red flags and no issues with the condo corporation themselves.
That's amazing protection, Amanda. Appreciate it. All right. Well, thanks for your time, and we'll talk again soon.
Yeah, thanks, John.